Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chandali and I am a licensed esthetician. I make fun, uplifting videos to hopefully inspire others. So if you like that kind of vibe, make sure you subscribe down below. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, is all about how I record my services. So if you want to figure out how you can actually start recording and documenting your services for maybe a TikTok or a reel or even a YouTube video like this one, make sure you keep on watching. So yeah, let me take my phone off here and then I'm going to flip it around and I'm going to show you guys kind of my setup and everything. Okay, so first things first, you'll want to make sure that you have a ring light and some type of contraption to hold your phone. I will link where I got my stuff from. So here's kind of my equipment. I got this ring light. Girl, this is what I'm trying to tell you guys. You don't have to have the best stuff, okay? I'm just telling you right now. You can start where you're at. And so here's the long story short on this here. I got this ring light and it came with a bunch of contraptions to hold my phone, but I lost them all. And so I ordered this gripper. I'm sure you could get replacement things, but I just figured two birds, one stone. So I ordered this gripper here. Okay, so I'm flipping the camera around. Okay, so you can like take it off and then like grip it onto something. And so I just grip it around my ring light, and this is what my ring light looks like. So it's got options to like go up and down. So you can kind of like swivel it. It's a sun pack ring light. This is I have the Amazon link for it, but it's a Photo Pro. And I would say order it because I went and I got one at Walmart and it was garbage. So this one is like the real deal. And it has like this little contraption to hold my phone. And this is like how you turn it on, I think. Hold on, wait. Okay, so this is how you turn it on. And you can turn it up as bright as you want or as dim as you want it. I actually do the dimmer setting because like it's already a bright light in their face. This can change the warmth. So if you're wanting something ultra daylight or really like warm and cozy. And so I'm gonna put my phone in this. Guys, I'm like down here. Oh my gosh, this video is, I hope this video is helpful. Okay, so this is what it looks like, and I have it on the rear facing camera because the quality is so much better. I'm gonna lift up the bottom base too. Okay. Now I have this up here because my bed is down here. So I'm gonna take this and I'm going to twist this and bring it down. So, heyo, it's me. Hopefully this video is not looking crazy. But I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna twist it over. And then I'm gonna lock this piece. And we're not quite where I wanna be, so I'm gonna fix that. Okay guys, so now instead of having this face another way, I'm turning it to face this way because I want the video to go like that. So I want it to be looking down on the bed like this, right? I think it's probably scoot down here. This is probably pretty spot on. Quite honestly, I think this is good. Just so you guys can see kind of what it looks like, I'm gonna turn this light off. Okay, so here we are. We have the tripod with the ring light hovering over the client who's in the bed, and like notice that she's off to the side. I probably, could stand to get one that like leans over, but right now this is all I have. So this is how I make it work with the ring light that doesn't stretch tremendously far. So you can kind of see this setup is like over her. Yeah, so Alright squad, that's it for today's video. I hope you had fun hanging out with me. I hope this video was super helpful. I hope it's inspiration as well to just let you know, start where you're at. You don't need the best equipment. You just need something so you can get going and start marketing yourself. And don't worry about editing. We all have to grow. So that's definitely something that's taken me years to master, and I'm still learning. So just know that there's no perfect, there's just right now, and you just need to be in the moment. So hopefully this is inspiring to you. Drop a comment down below if you have a suggestion for a video. I'm always looking for creative ideas. Thank you to the person who suggested this one, and please hit the thumbs up button so that I know that you like this video. So if this is your first time watching my video, catch up with me right here on this playlist, and I will see you in the next video. I post new videos every single week, so make sure that notification bell is turned on, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.